woke up. You want to know something pitiful? I checked my phone. I was like, oh, I got packages. So I was like, babe, cabana boy. He's not here. He's been working from home so much that I was just expecting it, but I didn't remember I was going to the office today. So I'm on my own. So it's time for me to get up. I am lost. I slept so long. The last couple days I've been getting up earlier than like, well, early as in not enough sleep in between. Like getting up after I slept 5 or 6 hours. So it's like 10:30 right now, or almost 10:30, and I just slept and slept and slept. So I'm about to get up. I need to throw something on so I can go get these packages outside. And yeah, I'm gonna start my day. I really need some coffee. I wish I could have Starbucks again. Why isn't there a Starbucks here? Because we're in the woods, that's why. Okay, let's go get started. This is my tiny Zen garden. Somebody else was making a mess of it. I just had a horrible thought. What if one of the cats got up on the counter and like dropped a deuce in it because it's sand? I mean, I didn't think about that. Let's check the door. So one of these packages is addressed to Zach, but it's from Nomad Cosmetics. Okay, you can tell I'm so sleepy. I don't even know what to do right now. Package from Makeup Eraser. They said a little while ago they were gonna send me some stuff. Okay, so they sent me 2 makeup erasers. The little makeup eraser set that's like the starry sky one. That's cute. I was hoping they were gonna send me some of those like little pads that you could tone your face with. Like I thought that would be really cool. And they also sent the juicy orange one. So thank you so much to Makeup Eraser, because I got 2 makeup erasers and I really want to try their 7-day sets. Like I feel like those are so much more reasonable for removing makeup because they're small. Like the big ones I feel like are almost too big, and then like they're immediately dirty unless you have multiples. Luckily I do. I also have one with llamas on them, so I have a few, but I really want to try the little ones because I think those are like probably the perfect size. All right, I got something from Influencer. These are 1-a-day fruit bites multivitamins for women. So that's what they sent me, and there's like several packs. All these packs. So let me try these. I do hesitate to take my regular multivitamins because I don't know, I get a sick feeling in my stomach when I take them. But they're little squares. Tastes kind of like a fruit roll-up with a little bit more apple. It's not bad. And then I also got my order from Suva Beauty. Hi, Sally. You can get up there, darling. Hi. Let me see your eyes. Are they better? So much better. Sally has little allergy eyes that run so bad, and I think it's because we were running the heat and it's been kind of constant since it's been in the 40s and 50s, or 30s, 40s and 50s, and her eyes are running so bad. But he changed the air filter yesterday and I think that may have helped because now she's better. I'm so excited about these. So they had a set of their little keychains that like are UV, so you can see like when you use any of the UV liners. So little lights. So when I put on the liners, then I can show you guys what they look under a black light, because that's what I've never done. Oh, and I think they actually included one in the pack. I didn't know that. I'm still glad that I had the other ones because they're really cool. UV Brights and UV Taffy's palette. So it came in a bundle with these, and then also the Doodle Cake, which is white and black. I do have both white and black, but it's kind of neat that you get both in here. These I was really excited about. I'll just show you this one for now. I'll definitely have these in my Black Friday haul so you guys can see in more depth. I cannot get myself together right now. I feel so sleepy. These are so cute. I don't know what happened to the light just now. Go ahead, Bean. And I love that these have their little liner brushes because these are so small. You really need some brushes like this. I'm just going to try to show you how tiny. But look at these colors. Aren't they beautiful? I can't wait to play with these. And I also got my Hank and Henry mystery box. I will unbox that for you in a little bit after I have some coffee and wake up, because I'm like not functioning right now. And fingers crossed I may get 1 or 2 more packages today, so we'll see. I thought I would show you guys. So this is what I was doing. If you guys watched yesterday's Vlogmas, I got these containers at Marshall's or Home Goods, or Marshall/Home Goods. So I wanted to use these for my extra I always want to call them impressions, impress nails. So these are the sets that I've worn recently, and of course there are extras in here. So I saw somebody had a really cool idea, and they kept all their extras that fit their nails still, and when they didn't have any set, they would kind of mix and match and create a set. And I thought that was a really good idea. So I'm gonna do that myself, and that way everything is all neatly organized. So I'm just gonna speed through because it's gonna take a little bit to get all these packages open and show you me organizing them. All right, so here it is organized. I think I have another set somewhere, but I didn't see them in the bathroom. So this is how everything looks. I have several new sets that I'm still going to wear. These are the ones I have on now, but you can see I really like my pinks and mauves and nude nails. But I've got some really pretty gold ones I'm gonna wear for actual Christmas time. I might put those on my birthday, but I may do it afterwards and just have them for Christmas. They're really cute. So I just thought that was a really neat way to store them, and I thought that was such a good idea. And they reposted someone, and she had them in like a little spinny thing. But yeah, I thought this was really cute and neat and organized. I also have the bigger ones that I'm going to put earrings in, and I'll show you guys that later. Hey guys, so I kind of wanted to get cute and unbox this for you in a better way, but I decided, you know what, never mind. I am definitely feeling the PMS depression right now. And I just feel like being lazy watching movies. So I just figured I'd take a break and show you guys what I got. I want to look up really quick the Hank and Henry post about these mystery boxes. I got the big one. It was $90. I hope it was worth it. 13 items, 5 Hank and Henry makeup products, and 8 Hank and Henry brushes. It says new Hank and Henry makeup brushes. I have some of their brushes and I do think they are very nice, so I think it'll be worth it. I just hope I don't get a lot of dupes of the makeup because I do have some stuff. We have the box. So, oh, we got some stuff. I'm gonna pull out my brushes. Worms. Ooh, we got a liner brush. This is the Linda. I think they all have names, yeah. Linda is a little liner brush. Hopefully you can see that. It's tiny. I like that. Cassandra is a flat brush. It's an interesting shape. I feel like that would be nice to do a little cream contour maybe. My battery is now flashing at me. I just sat down. Sabrina. That's an interesting brush. It's like flat and angled. This is Lily. Is a small eyeshadow brush, kind of like very packed in brush. Oh, I needed one of these. Okay, this is Maya, and it is a little angle and spoolie. Lucy 2.0, which is like an angled, I would probably use that for blush or contour. Angelica, and this one's flat. It's not completely flat, it's got a little density to it, but it's actually at a little point almost. So I could do a lot of things with that one. And also Amber, which is like a flat foundation brush. These are also really handy for masks. I got 2 palettes. Okay, well I already have this one. This is the Living in Color palette, and it's actually sealed up, so I'll put that in a giveaway. I also got the Mauves palette. This one I do not have, and I do love mauve eyeshadows. I'm trying to get through this kind of quick so that I don't run out of battery. Oh, this is pretty. It has a lot of really pretty colors in there. I got a cream blush stick, and this is Teen Queen. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. Look. It's like this frosted top, and that's what it looks like. It looks kind of bright, but I feel like this is one of those it would probably sheer out some. I did a swatch. It's pretty intense. Yeah, I feel like that could be a pretty flush of color. We got a Luster Liquid Eye Shimmer. Here's the packaging. A little jar. I don't really know if this is meant to be like eyelid or liner or both. Here's the color. Kind of looks like a jelly putty. I put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'll have to look up what you're really supposed to use that for.
Manners, no.
He's always trying to eat plastic. We have one more product. This is a Lip Aesthetic Metallic Liquid Lip. I hope that's not the color, because first of all, it's so funny. I just did my lip declutter. If you didn't see that, it's in my Vlogmas 2020 playlist, but it was also day before yesterday's vlog from what you guys are seeing. And I got rid of a lot of liquid lips. I got rid of almost every metallic liquid lip that I had. And I got a blue metallic liquid lip. If that is not the most random shit ever. I do feel like this is one of those where they're like, okay, what can we get rid of that people are not buying? The rest of the stuff I don't feel that way about. Oh my god though. It smells like blue raspberry or blue, like a blue icy. Is that blue raspberry? Oh my god. Okay, so here's the color. I mean, I'll put this on once. It smells so good. Okay, that makes me a little less salty about getting a weird blue metallic liquid lip. Excuse me. Okay, I'm sure my battery's about to die. I'm trying not to get this on him. He is trying to eat the plastic. So we got 8 brushes. We got 2 palettes, which, I mean, if I didn't have the other palette, I think 2 palettes would be really cool. Liquid lip, cream blush, eye luster. And then I'm going to do a giveaway on my YouTube channel soon. I do have, oh no, yeah, today is the last day. Never mind. I do have a giveaway going on that is going to end in a couple of days. When you guys see this, there's only a couple days left, and I'll show you what it looks like. I've probably talked about this already, but if you go to my page and you go to this post right here, it's got a Huda palette in the picture. That's the giveaway, and you just have to follow me, subscribe, tag a friend, like and comment. That's pretty much it. So anyway, it's crazy what that smells like. All right, so that's what I got in my Hank and Henry mystery box for $90. I mean, I feel like for me, I got my money's worth because they are really nice brushes. That kind of saves it for me. And the fact that the palette, the cream blush is so pretty. I don't feel like I'm like, oh, I got so much for my money. It is a good value. But you know, like if I were to go pick out these things, I probably would have only picked out the palette, the cream blush, and maybe a few of these brushes. Well, maybe like 4 or 5 of these brushes. So, I mean, I'm definitely going to get use out of these. And that is it for now. I'm about to watch Contagion. Maybe I shouldn't be watching that. It's fine though. I like it. I think it's a good movie. He is such a little... Are you being a little baby? Are you being a mama's baby? What? So, I will talk to you guys later. I'm still going to organize my earrings, and then if I get any more packages, I'll show you guys that as well. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna be super lazy. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, don't be like that. All right, so here's a sneak peek of some earrings that I got from Shein. Okay, we needed some better light. These may be just too small. I might need to put these in my little jewelry cabinet, but I stuck them in there temporarily. So I'm gonna see how some of these fit. Come on. I have just so many cute ones that I've gotten, and I want to do like coordinating makeup and skincare videos. Alright, well that gave you guys some idea of what I've got here. I may look and see if I can find, even if it's just online, another container like this that's got some bigger sections for the earrings that won't fit, but this holds a lot of my really fun earrings that I can pick through. through. And then I have a lot of my nicer stuff, which I'll show you. Kind of reserve some space in here. I do have some spots for earrings, but they're really bigger ones don't fit that well. And some of these I will, like these little hearts, I'll put in the box or in the little storage containers. But yeah, it'll free up some room because I'm trying to keep this as like my nicer stuff. And then this, you know, I may add like all these little dinosaur ones are just super silly and cute. So I may put those in those containers and then leave these for my spots for my like more special earrings, like my Ana Luisa ones. And I've even got some of my stud earrings over here in the ring holders because it would just, you know, had a nice fit. Some of these won't fit, but that's okay. And I can put like all these stars. I also have these honeycomb ones that I'm gonna put in that container. So that is it for this day of Vlogmas. Look at my hair. I let it air dry just to see. I went ahead and put in some toning drops in my leave-in conditioner because I could just tell like my hair is so easy to go brassy, and I think if I just gradually help it along, it'll be okay. I didn't put much because like it's very early on, so I just put 1 or 2 drops. And yeah, so that is it for Vlogmas Day 8. Crazy that we're already like over a week into December, but we're about to have some dinner and chill out. Tomorrow, oh, I think I have a lip swatch video from e.l.f. I have some of their hydrating core lipsticks. I think that's what they're called. I can't remember, but I'll probably do a lip swatch tomorrow and actually do my makeup. I'm feeling like the PMS depression is hitting real hard today, so I'm gonna eat some good for the soul food tonight and relax and hopefully feel a little bit better tomorrow and feel like putting myself together. And I'm excited to see how my hair looks straight. Like I'm going to straighten it, maybe put like a little bend in it, but just keep it straighter and sleek and see how it looks. So I'm excited for that, and I hope you enjoyed today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.